I swear I'll upload this time. You know, as soon as I get the break, I just want to have a lot of fun with y'all. I'm not getting a lot of time to record and stuff. Mainly I forget. But it's going to be a great time with y'all as soon as I record again.
Kids out there, you're going to be seat 3 to a seat. Find a seat. Now see what Kaden go through with you guys. Sit down or get a ticket.
Alright, I'm going to see you in a little. I guess we're going now. What? The heck? Why are we going so slow?
Anybody want the phone in?
Okay, Bradford and middle school. I don't know who's sitting those 2 seats. One of the seats said, I'm watching you. There's another seat back there. They always stuck their fist in there and made the hole bigger. Those 2 seats, you are being watched. So I'm letting you know. You sit in those 2 seats, you're being watched. If a hole get in that seat and they pull the videotape and you're sitting in that seat, you're getting kicked off the bus, okay? I warned you guys too many times about that. But I'm just saying, from now on, they are watching the videotape, and whoever's sitting in those 2 seats, if you tear up
Dude, oh my god.
you want for that situation, put a new seat in this bus. Please do not tear up the bus, okay? We are getting a new bus. If you keep tearing up this bus, you guys will never see that new bus. So please, if you know who you are, please stop tearing up this bus. Stop putting graffiti on my seats, okay? That's it. I don't want to see no more cussing words on my seat. I've been cleaning out graffiti off the bus seat. I've been picking up trash. And then there's like 3 seats that's been tearing up all the time. So if you sit in that seat, you are responsible, because I know my Kidwell students are not doing it because they don't sit back there. Okay? So that's the last one.
Man, that was sick. I just cut a zipper off.
And if that smell gets too much for you, you can't let the window down, but make sure you let it back up when you get off the bus.
What?
That's a jacket.
Yes, finally.
Oh yeah, and I forget, you guys are going to assign seat because of those seats. My supervisor is giving the seat, so wherever you would land, that's where you're gonna sit. Okay? So you can thank for whoever taught them seats that you guys are getting assigned seats. Middle school, high school, and elementary. I don't know where he's gonna put you, but you will be in an assigned seat.
Bruh. Overcomplicating.
Alright, the
Oh, electric dog. Dude, that's sick.
All because the speakers are right above us. So, we didn't know. Oh, it's right there.
Alright.
Here we go. But what if
No.
we go on a rock road?
You're kidding.
What if we go on a dirt road and then dirt starts flying through? Here we go.
close. Close. Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Hey, that fixed the glitch. Okay. Or bug, or visual thing. Yeah. You get it. Ah, that might have been a ditto. Kids at
whenever someone calls you a noob in Fortnite. You like the devil?
Right, there we go. Clap. Clamp. Clap. What? How is it super effective against me?
Already on the bus. Thank you.
Whenever you go to
Alright, there we go. Got it. Did it.
I'm trying to get over this sticky thing.
And this is the last from the doing, so it's yippee.
It's the seal.
Alright, now
You're gonna hit this.
I don't think so. You're too far back. You can't. Well, you need to move up.
yeah, okay. I can do that for a helioptile check. One. Two, three, four.
Big one.
Oh, I thought my daily incense was glitched because, oh my god. Alright. Yes, I thought I caught more than that. Nope.
My best friend.
Alright, let's go. Oh, there's one over there. Okay, hopefully I can go there. So I totally can. And bye-bye.